Okay, we're going to Los Angeles. We're currently in Houston, and we need to get on the Skyway and go to C, which is like a international terminal. So let's get going.
The train is departing for Terminal B.
Like I said in this video, we're going to LA, flying into LAX. I have a game to work there today for the LA Kings. So, wow, it is bright out.
The train has arrived at Terminal C.
People pick up, drop off people over there. This is the same terminal I got to when I came from Denver. Panda Express, Steak and Shake, something pizza, which? 4 places in one. Yeah, this is the place to eat. It's really crowded at this gate. This is our plane though. I got bored, so I went on a walk to this gate. So you'll see a little of the airport here. I'm gonna head back. It's the reality of what it's like to.
Yeah, that's right. All right, thank you. Have a good trip.
So, here we go. I'm not sure if I've been on one of these before. So sometimes when you're on a flight, you get people really tired by you, and they inadvertently touch you a lot. And this girl kept on leaning her head on my shoulder, so I took this video. It doesn't show it, but I have a picture here. It shows it for sure, and I thought it was hilarious, so I thought I'd share.
If the strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the
Bee or sweat bee, or so close to the edge there. If you're wondering why I'm making such a big deal about these bugs, there were just so many of them swarming this plane, and I was just expecting to see them get sucked out by the engine, but I never saw it. It's one of those things. It didn't look like a bee, though. If you know what kind of bug that is, leave a comment below in the comments as to what it is. I'm really curious.
the exit rows need to be unplugged for landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of United Airlines and the Star Alliance, we'd like to be the first to welcome you to Los Angeles. The local time is 11:30 a.m. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened and seat backs and tray tables in the full upright and locked position, and your carry-on items should remain stowed at this time. If you have a portable electronic device, such as a cell phone or a tablet, you may remove those from airplane mode at this time. However, all larger electronic devices should remain stowed.
Not very familiar with this airport. All right, going outside. It's my buddy. Holy cow, that was loud. Don't get an Uber, then I'm going to work.
Property taxes are not very high.
Ow. Yeah. It's like hold my back.
Everybody.
This is where you gotta get your Uber. There's shuttles, but we walked it. It's crazy. Wasn't too bad though. All these zones. So this is where I ended up. I'm working here today. I went to Smash Burger because I'm really hungry, and I got some fries. So I've been working all day over here at the Crypto.com arena, formerly known as Staples Center. They have a huge setup here. This is called LA Live. Just everywhere you look are screens. I'm staying in this Marriott hotel. But I appreciate you watching these videos, and if you like them, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe so you can see when new videos are posted and stuff like that. I'm gonna go figure out how I get in my hotel here. I don't know how you actually get in there, but this is where I'm staying. So yeah, have a good one and take flight.